Okay, so what to do, you simply copy this, use a paste special and use this option of as a result. Okay, so this is the copy command, or you may use this normal process also when you use defining work object. See, copy, use, directly paste, that is also fine. So after doing that, one more duplicate body is created and I change the name here. This name is core. So for this core, I'm going to change the thickness. Okay, so how to reduce the size, just use this dress up feature. Here is the command of thickness. Double click on the thickness and give the thickness size how much that is given in the drawing. Can you check? Hello, check the drawing how much the thickness of a component is. That it is a 3,
3.
right? So I'm selecting this surface as well as this surface, and that thickness I'm changing to minus 1.5. Okay, now the core is get created. Why I'm taking minus 0.5? This is minus 0.5 and this is minus 0. Total become 3. Okay, now what to do, you have to simply remove this. You can check that two different bodies. Here you can see. You have to simply remove this. How to remove? Right click here. Here is the option of remove from the base body. Preview and click on OK. But what's the problem here? In the drawing, you can see that I need to add the pads, right? But pads we already created here. So that pads we delete it, and this is that body. Now we have to add this body from this base body. Preview, OK. But still this is extended portion. What to do? Double click on this, reduce the size, still showing up. Double click here, but still it's showing the wrong results. So I'm going to delete this. Okay, you can see that this is the body which we are offsetted. So this body I don't need in the core. That is a problem. Okay, so I repeat the component. This part we have made yesterday. So this process, whole process is fine. What to do? You simply copy this, use a paste special. Sorry, or you can use a paste directly, and you have to remove this pads because inside the course the pads is not required. So I'm going to delete this. Okay, now you can reduce the size. How much it is? Total 3. So active this only current body. Now use this thickness and reduce this thickness to minus 1.5, and now try to remove this. Okay, now this is your hollow object. So what I done, I duplicate the component, reduce the thickness and removed it. That is what the core actually we are removed. Okay, what next? So here is the web network. So let's do that also. Insert the body. Okay, so how to create this? This is the arc. Can anyone tell how much the size of arc is that? Hello, Vishal Done.
179. 179.
Vishal, your rising hands. Any question?
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay.
No, sir. No.
So yes, 179 size is that. Another arc size is how much? 49. Correct. So let's do that quickly. So in this wave body, what to do? Select this. Take this plane. Okay. Make the symmetry. First, you define the size. How much? 179. Correct. Now mirror it. That size is how much? How much it is? 79? No, 49. Okay. Now tell me these locations. If you zoom it,
80 and 54.
80 and 54. That size correct. So first we make a mirror of this with respect to this and trim unnecessary portions. That is by taking a corner through trim command. Okay. Now this distance is how much? And this distance is also there.
80.
One is 80. Which one, horizontal or vertical?
Horizontal.
Horizontal. Just a minute. These 2 points should be symmetric. Right click, allow symmetry about this horizontal. Now check this moment. Okay, define this size. Horizontal is 80 and this one is 54. Now try to move this geometry. See where it is moving. It is moving regarding this particular point location. So let us define this location of point. Just check the drawing. Is it any size is given in this location? It is 70, means half of 140. So this to this one, right click horizontal size, and this become 70. Okay. After that, just exit the sketch. Just a minute, I'll check something is error. Okay, so I exit the sketch, add material to it, and that height, let's suppose given in the drawing. So what actually we need here, we need to cut it from the core. So we are making the core, right? So
34.
roughly how much it is mentioned?
Mention, not mention, but
Let's
30.
suppose it is 34. Okay, suppose this is 34. Okay, and I make it symmetrically. Okay, and how much its radius? Is there any radius is mentioned? I think that fillet radius is given or not. Okay, that is 2. So let's use this fillet. Is quite very small. I introduce larger fillet. Let's say it is 8. Okay. Okay. Now next, from this core, what we need to do? We have to remove this. How to remove? Right click on this. Remove from this body. Then you will get this result. I think something is problem in this sketch. Just we have to check it once again. Is it the size is correct? 179 is given. 54. Yeah. Here. What the 80 size we have mentioned is wrong. It's not from center. If you check the drawing, it is from tangent dimensions, right? So from this to this become 80. And again,
I think, sir, this distance is not 70. This is a point on vertical axis.
so you just delete this to this coincidence. Okay. And now this size, now it is fine. It is how much? How much it is? 54. Okay, now it is fine. Now it look good. Now I use remove option where remove from base body. You will get this result. But actually in my drawing there are strips. There are horizontal and vertical strips. Then that need to be added. Okay. So if you see here, that strip thickness is 2 mm. Typical everywhere it is 2 mm. Okay. So how many strips are there? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Horizontally there are 5 strips, and vertically there are 5 strips, and horizontally 1, 2, 3 strips are there. So 5 and 3, right? So let's do that. Insert one more body. and go to the property, give this name, any name. So let's say it is a rib. Okay, so I create that lines. Exit whatever that size. I'm not defining that sizes right now because ultimately we need to cut it from core. Okay, so what to do here? Apply the thickness. How much the thickness? Can I use pad now? It shows error because the thickness and the profile is not closed loop. What to do here? Simply press yes, define the thickness, neutral fiber, 2 mm thickness, and see this preview. Click on OK. Use a pattern now. The quantity is how much? What to do pattern for entire rib. So don't select any specific feature. I need to pattern entire body. So direction of pattern is y direction. Along y direction, how many quantities are required? I need 5 quantity. So just check 1 2 3 4 5. So here it is also 5 quantity. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and then second direction we switch one. First we make horizontal dimension and then we do second direction. Okay, so here 5 quantities are there, and spacing between each is how much?
Two,
11.
five, five.
5 quantities and spacing is 11. But if you look this, so 5 quantities are placed, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, but what is my requirement? The original feature which we have created here, that become at center. So what to do for this to make this feature at center? More, I want this feature center. It means this, at least this one and 2 number, that should be shifted another side. So what to do? I need to arrange the pattern in such a way that my original feature that should be located in 3 number. So I put it number 3 here. Now you check. You can count it from here. 1 2 3. So this is the third number. Preview. Okay. Okay, so this is get created. One more profiles we have to draw on this top plane, and there is horizontal line. Okay, now make it pad, thickness. Okay, how many quantity? First you define the thickness, neutral fiber on, thickness is 2, fine. How many quantity? So you have to introduce body first and just simply drag and drop. Now one more body is get created. How many quantity for this pattern? Along x direction, quantity is how much? 3. So put it here now, number 3. How you want to arrange? So if you look it from top view, I just arrange this top view. Okay, so this is my first feature, second feature, third feature. How you want to arrange it? 1 1 2 3. Okay, so first feature will be at center. What need to be done here in this situation? You just go to the more. How you have to define this position? What number should I enter there, so
Two.
that Yes, correct. Your first feature counted as a second number. So this is first feature, this is second feature. Okay. If you do a three number, the upon counting that original feature will come at the third location. First is this, second is this, third is this. So what need to be done here? This is 2. Okay. Now, can you tell anyone to achieve the result like this as per the drawing? So here is the material addition. If you look it in the sectional view AA, so these are some additions which we indicated here. Okay, and some hollow objects are there. So to add the ribs, what need to be use the logic? Whether should I add in the base body or whether should I remove it from the base body? What to do? Or whether should I remove it from the web?
Remove, remove
Remove
from
from
baseball.
correct, correct, correct. So use this
Baseball.
remove, select this way. Okay. Again, select. So in the back end, what exactly happened over here? You can see that actually we are making such a cutted portion of course. So again, select this, use remove from the web. See this preview, click on OK. So this is your negative body, and this is your entire core is get generated. And when you active this base body, you will get this result. It's not a magic, it's a logic. Okay, so to achieve core, if you see here, these are some material addition. To add a material in final body, we have to cut it that material from the core body like this. So that's why that strips I cut it in this course, and at the end of result in the base body, you will see the material addition like this. Okay, so I'm going to store this file. Okay, what is the next step? The next step, if you see here,
Detail ENF.
correct, detail E and F. Okay, so in the detail E, where you see the detail E, in which view you see the detail E?
Bottom view. Top.
In the bottom view. So in the bottom view, we have to draw the detail E and detail, what is that? Detail F. Where you see that?
Front view.
Front view. So in front view and bottom view, two profiles we have to draw. So let's draw it. So I started from front view. So I select this plane. First I introduce the body. This is maybe let's say 4 or 5. Any name you can give as per your convenience. And I create that profile first. So if you look at this is that profile. I just zoom it. Select this plane, click OK, and draw that shape. So I use this profile tool. Okay, this is that some angle is given. You tell me that size is quickly later. I just define the profile dimensions. So I'm going to hide this axis, this to this to this, is some height, and then total height is there. Now you tell all dimensions quickly, step by step. So what to do here? Use edit multi constraint. How much this size? Is the total size given? Check it here, in the bottom view, front view. I think that size is not mentioned here. Is it 2? This is how much? 5. This one is how much? How much it is?
Not given, sir.
2.
2, correct. This one is
70. 70.
70.
Yeah.
Where it is that?
Sir, actually, this is the at the
70
end
is
of
for
the
location of center. Okay, that is not for this.
70.
70 is for the center location of this arc, which you already used the last time. Okay.
Actually, this
What is
actually
what is what is our requirement? Let's understand. So doesn't matter. You take this value 100, or you take here value 138. What is ultimately our goal? This line should be just intersect. It should be passed from this object. That's it. You can take the any size. Okay. So what actually the command we are going to see here, that intersect command. So there are three Boolean operations as per our last discussions are there: add, remove, and intersect. So we are taking the add and remove. You know that the logic right now we are used it. Now intersect is a new one. So intersect will generate the common portion between the two features. Resultant body you will get it. Okay, let's see here. This size is 151.
151 is from the plane, sir.
From the plane is given.
Yes.
Okay, I'll just cancel out then, and I define that size from the plane. From this plane, right? Total.
Yes. Yes.
This one is also should be there. Now it is fine. Now we define that size. This one is 138, we'll assume 138. This one is 151. Then this one is how much? 5. This one is 2. This one is how much? 15 degree. See this preview. Okay. This object is get created. Exit this. Add a material to it. How much it is material addition? Let's say it is 35. Okay. So if you look this object from front view, you see look like this. The profile is look like this. But if you look it from bottom view, it should be look like this arc shape. Now you check it from bottom view how it looks. Where is it? But it not look arc shape, right? What to do now? We take that bottom view and define that shape. Okay, so let's create that shape. There is a circle. Connect this line on this plane and define an arc, that is through fillet. But that fillet should not be trimmed, so I use this no trim option. I use this quick trim. Okay, that rough profile is generated here. Just check that. How much that diameter? 12. Diameter is 12. So I double click on that and change to diameter option. Then that location of center is 145. And this to this is 139. So it's not connected actually. It is 139 and this one is 8 point. So you change that sizes simultaneously. This is 139. This one is 145. This diameter is 12. This is 8. This is also 8. Preview. Okay. Now I exit this sketch and I add a material. So can you read this error? Double click on the sketch and check that error.
Tangency.
This profile is not closed loop, so you make it quickly closed loop. Trim these lines. Check it here. Now it's closed. Exit the sketch. Add a material. Okay. Okay, so this should be in different body. This should be in different body. By mistake, it is added in the same body. So what to add, do it right now? Insert a body and drag and drop over here. Okay, so now you have to take the intersection, common portion of these two body. So only when after taking common portion, then only you will see in the front view this shape and top you will see this shape. So let's do that. Right click on this, use this intersect button. Intersect with respect to base body 4. Now you see the common portion. Now you see front view, it looks like this, and in top view, it shows an arc shape. Okay, now We have
So
to.
diameter is 24 in sketch.
Oh, we are not changed it. Just a minute. It should be 12, na?
Yes.
Yeah, fine. Good. Now it's look correct. Now what is my requirement? After doing this intersect body, we have to copy this again and use space special. I think copy is not generated first. Yeah, here is that component. Copy this space special and use as a result. Now you have to remove this thickness from it. Okay, so use this thickness minus how much that thickness 1.5, and then we need to remove it from base body 4. Then you will get this hollow cutouts, and you can see now in the final object. Okay, so this is that bodies get created. You can see that by unchecking this. We need to add this over here. Okay, but it's not complete hollow, correct? So for removing your thickness, the last body, we need to select this one also. This one also have 1.5 mm offset value. Okay, so we'll do that again. I'll remove this, delete this. Okay, so this is what body, right? Okay, this is that minus. We have to do 1.5. This one is also 1.5. You can see that. After that, we have to remove it from this one. Then only you will see this result. Now you see there is a pact. Okay, so bottom face also we have to do offset, and after that the final object look like this. So that is what the benefit of intersect. So from front view it looks different shape, and from top it looks different shape. Such a results are there. Then resultant body we can generate through intersect option. Clear? And whatever the pending work, that is what fillets, you can define it later. How much that you can see? Can you tell how much radius is here? Some radius value we will put it here. Let's say it is 1. And then here is also 1. Okay, Control S. So this finished the object. So in our lab today, we have to complete this. If any doubt today, you can ask. And your lab is connected through, right now your lab is connected through, what is that? Google Meet now. So within few minutes, this Zoom meeting will be off, and we'll continue our discussion on Google Meet. Clear? During lab practice sessions, whatever the doubts are there, that we will see.